What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Hopefully you guys had a good weekend. Today, I have two important announcements for you guys. One is in regards to the scammers and spam comments that I want to show you. Second is about a giveaway, which I'm going to share with you in just a couple of seconds. But what we're going to be talking about in today's episode is the major correction back to the downside here within XRP. As you guys can see, we retested moving averages and it was just too early. It was expected. It was just too early. We retested the moving averages here on the daily and we got reversed down. You can just see how wide these moving averages are. It's been pretty wide actually since we started to fall back in April here, and it's just too wide for us to break through. We need to have these much closer, maybe even a bullish cross on the daily moving averages before we see any sort of like reversal or breakthrough it at any time soon, unfortunately. But we are going to be looking at Ethereum, which unfortunately now is breaking through its bottom support. That's pretty scary. And Bitcoin, which is doing the same thing, breaking through its bottom support. We're like at the cusp here. Any lower on Bitcoin and we're SCREWED. I don't want to say it because I don't want to get demonetized, but we're not in a good standpoint here. As you guys can see, we are at the last lick. Like, this is it. If we break through this, it's over, and we're going to see a very substantial drop to the downside here, and it's not going to be fun. The S&P does decide to open up today. We're not in a good position. I mean, believe it or not, Ethereum, which is now slightly below its support, Bitcoin, which is now slightly below its support, has finally caught up to the S&P, which is slightly below its support. If we see this drop, we're going to see a substantial correction to the downside here on the S&P come today, this morning, and Bitcoin as well. And we're going to see, whoa, and we're going to see Ethereum do the same thing. So it's very spooky. It's not good. There's big chances of correction. I'm not trying to scare anybody. On the positive side, we are going to be doing a giveaway. I am bringing this back. I'm excited to do it. I saw a lot of positive comments about XRP, and I just kind of want to rally everybody together, get you guys excited, you know, because it is a community. We've been going through this for a long time. So I'm going to be giving away one of these giveaways. I haven't done this in a few months since the bear market started. But for those that don't know how to enter this, all you have to do is comment, subscribe down below, and subscribe to the channel. That's it. Make sure to comment, subscribe, maybe comment your favorite crypto, but make sure to comment, subscribe, and to actually subscribe to the channel. We'll do the giveaway maybe Sunday morning, and that's pretty much it. I will be checking, and if you're not subscribed to the channel, then you're not going to win the giveaway, and I'll have to pick somebody else. 50% of the people that watch these videos are not subscribed to the channel, so I know there's a lot of you. 1 out of every 2 people watching this has not subbed to the channel. So make sure to go subscribe, and I will be picking the winner this Sunday. But with that being said, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's episode. Now, guys, for those that don't know what this is, I have the XRP ticker display right here. It shows all your cryptocurrencies 24/7 displayed live here, as well as you can pick the colors. It's super cool. So I get to see the ticker and the price moving all the time. You can see it's 2 different colors. We're probably just going to do the or 3 different colors, but I'm probably just going to do the black one. It's the cleanest looking here. But yeah, moving forward here, I wanted to show you guys something about the spammers. This is what I've had to deal with for weeks, or no, sorry, months now with the channel here. I'm showing you the back end of Crypto TV, believe it or not here. But every single comment that you guys make, I'm not calling anybody out, gets dozens, and I mean dozens of scammers impersonating me. This is not me. I'll never ask you to reach out to me. I'll never ask you to reach out to me on WhatsApp or anything at all. So keep that in mind. But this is a lot of funneling and filtering. I spent an hour and a half this morning since 7 a.m. clicking and deleting all these. But you can see this is all the back end held for review, as you can see. But look at all these. Every single comment gets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fake spammers. Next comment, dozens of spammers, dozens of spammers. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. All using my logo for Crypto TV, all just pain in the ass. I wish I could just delete them all. They make new accounts every single time. This is a new account. 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 And they comment on every single post. Look at this. I'm scrolling through dozens of comments, hundreds of comments. Everybody's doing it. So it's absolutely ludicrous. I'm glad I'm now holding comments for review, so they have to go through me personally before I put them up. I just wanted to update you guys that. I'm sorry it's taking longer to go over this technical analysis. It won't tomorrow, but I just wanted you to bear with me. Now, with that being said, diving into the technical analysis, finally, top 10 cryptos, you're going to probably see XRP hitting the floor. We're down 6%. Actually, all the cryptos are starting to slide. Down 6%, Bitcoin, 8%, Ethereum, 4.8 BNB, 7% XRP, 7% Cardano. We're not doing good, guys. We're really not doing good. XRP had hit its major resistance as expected and is starting to correct lower. Honestly, we looked good. We broke, beautifully to the upside here. Time-sensitive information. We had this beautiful, descending fractal, and we were a little too high, and we were starting to correct downwards. It was no secret, but I had to let you guys know pretty much ASAP. But you can see the descending fractal broke us bullish. It's pretty textbook here, and now we swung all the way back down to the moving average. Reason being was because we hit major resistance up here on the moving average. Notice in the past here, we typically cannot break through until we get enough of a cross happening here. So you can see, yeah, we've consolidated. So I just want to show you guys in the past here. So we've fallen here. You can clearly see, or we've had multiple retests. Let's go back even further. Bearish cross happens right here. We come back up finally to retest, but you can see there's no cross. There's no bullish cross, so we fall. Second time around, we swing up. We retest moving averages. Do we break through it? No. Why? There's no bullish cross. We're too extended apart here. Well, we tested a third time. Come back up. We have a bullish cross. We end up going above it here. That's what we're looking for. Unfortunately, it didn't last. We did fall. But truly, that's the need. We need that to happen in order for us to be breaking bullish. I mean, you can go back in the past year. We had a bullish cross right here. We allowed ourselves to pump higher. It's a consistent pattern that continues to happen here. But I'm not looking, we're not going to see any positive run to the upside until we can break through the moving average with a bullish cross happening here. We have to have a crossover like this for us to expect to see a rally to the upside. And that doesn't get us out of the deep end here. We still have this massive resistance, this green band, that's really going to put a damper on XRP. And until we break through that, we're going to be in trouble. You can see it just right now. You can see the way I've drawn this. This is the resistance that we're going to be retesting. So we've had this big downtrend that we have not been able to break through. 1, 2, 3, 4 retests. Major resistance. We break down from it every single time. We're looking for us to break through this and head all the way back up. We'll hit 46 cents without a doubt, but we're not going to be breaking through it anytime soon. We need to actually get through this to see any sort of rally. I don't think it's going to happen right now, but that does send us into the beginning of 2023. So I do believe eventually, soon, hopefully by the end of 2022, we break through this downtrend here. We swing up. Maybe we swing up to like 80 cents, kind of the moving averages here, come back down. And then 2024, we start to see the rally. Truly, that's where I'm looking at here. But I do believe we're pretty much at the end of the bear market here. And now we're just going to see consolidation, maybe a lift off, come back down, and then a bull run into 2024. Let me know what you guys think about that. But it's exactly what's happened with Bitcoin in 2017, 2018, as well as in 2020 and 2021. So we're just applying this pattern once again, since the markets seem to be cyclical now that I'm in it here and doing my research. So that's truly where I think XRP is headed. I'm not worried, but I don't think we're going to see any sort of bullish rally. I'd also be shocked, mind blown, we break through our price floor of 30 cents and dump. But I do believe we're going to see a lot of this consolidation, and we basically need to fill this in. This is a lot of movement here, but we need to fill this in, ending in November here, starting December. So we have like 2 months left. We have maybe half of September, October, November, 2 months. So maybe 75 days. But hopefully we could see more action behind, before then. Maybe we can break out, retest it. That's the goal. But it's going to take a while. The scary part is how exactly is Ethereum going to play. The goal is we don't break through the bottom floor. I mean, yes, we broke through this. It sucks. But our last leverage piece is 1,050 here, right? Here, this is the support where we had our previous triple bottom, and then we broke bullish at neckline. We've now pretty much, neckline is right here, actually. But this is another support that we've had. Could I move it lower? Maybe it would look better if we pulled this down to neckline here. Something like that. Yeah, that does actually look better now that I'm looking at it here. We are retesting pretty much bottom support. This is it, guys. I mean, you could move it a little bit higher and we would be pretty much right above neckline, but you can see right here, we're pretty much at the lowest point. We break through this, we're going to have a tough time. The good news is we are becoming oversold. Bitcoin is also getting close to oversold. The scary part is we're at its lowest point. We have not broken through 19,000, 18 and change, the high 18,000s in a very long time. It's been since June. So the fact that we're below here now is pretty scary. The goal, and we have to have our fingers crossed, is that the S&P 500 can start to rally up. That's the only thing that can really save us, and that's the goal here, is that we can start to move up higher come the next couple of days, come today. Because if we don't, we're going to pull back down to here, and then it's our lifeline. You can see, again, we don't have much more room to head lower for Bitcoin. That's pretty much it. It'll be all-time lows for 2022. We don't want that. So the goal is that the S&P can hold on, get us back above here, and eventually move up. But if we fall below here, this is lifeline, guys. This is like anything below this, you're going to see a very, very substantial drop, and nobody wants that here, so it is a little worrisome. But with that all being said, guys, make sure to check out Bityard, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use here on the channel. And the reason I like to use them is because not only do they offer Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a lot of altcoins, they have XRP, which is quite unique to many, which is quite unique to find on an exchange. So definitely make sure to check them out. Not only that, the best part is you can actually use their demo account, which gives you $100,000 in Monopoly money to test your skills out. And if you get good at it, then you can actually use real crypto. But before then, I always recommend test your skills out without any risk. And then, you can do everything you could on Bityard using the demo account as you could with real crypto. It's just what I recommend. Test your skills, test your trades. Then when you're ready, you can go to the live account. And the best part is if you sign up with the link down in the description, click on Mystery Box and you can get some free crypto. With that being said, make sure to enter the giveaway, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.